Thank you all so much for allowing me to get to 2K subscribers. It means so much that I can help you guys doing something I love doing. With some videos going up to 10K, that's amazing. Thank you so much again. Thank you for all of the comments by the people. Are you getting ready to find a job? To stand out from your competition, you can have some extra things, make use of business cards, small portfolios, and much more. In this video, I'll be going over how to make a business card, and then later I will do a video on where to print them online and what I use myself for my business cards. First, let's go to the basics. Now, what kind of business card do you need for your audience? If you're an artistic person, go for something like this, not this. If you are in the architecture or engineering industry, go for something like this, not this. See where I'm going with this? Too many this. At the end of the day, the business card should represent yourself, so do whatever you feel shows your true self. I will be using Illustrator since it's a vector-based product and not a raster. The general business size cards are 89mm by 51mm, so you will need to add two boards, one for your front and for the back page, and then click create. You will then get these two boards to work with. I did a little research for my business card. I wanted to do something very simple but obvious, so I went for the golden ratio. I then went on Google and found an image of the golden ratio and pasted it into the page. I then made sure it fits in exactly how I wanted it, and will be using square shape tool and ensuring that the shape is empty and only a black outline, and then I will go over the square to ensure I get the right position of the ratio. I am going to make my logo on the right, so I will have to reflect the image. So select all, go to right click, transform and hit reflect. You can then change whatever direction, but leave it for now as it is, and then just zoom in to ensure that no squares are overlapping, just to make it nice and neat. I then opened my logo, which I have changed later on, which you will see. I just dragged and dropped the file and made it smaller. I added a little square around the logo to make it more defined and stand out. To duplicate the logo to the other side, you select the image, hold Ctrl and move to the left and let go of the mouse and then let go of Ctrl. For the text, I will do it in a very minimal way with literally my name and contact info with a few icons. I use Beba's New as my font as I really like it. I will use bold and then thin as a variety, just to make it not boring. I then added my phone number, email, YouTube account and LinkedIn. For the icons, I will use FreePick, which is a very easy and free site. Just search for black phone icon and pick the best one and then click free download and then do the same for the rest. After you have all of your icons, just line them up to the right text and ensure they are all the same size. I felt that text was a bit too light and just messed around with the font size and the thicknesses just to see what was right for me. When you want to print the business cards, the place where you are going most likely requests a PDF, and since we're on Illustrator it will be easy to export. And they want the front and back separate, which is what I did here. Here is the final work and god, it looks amazing. I absolutely love it. What do you guys think of this kind of design? And look at the quality. This is why you need to use Illustrator for your work. do turn on that notification button, so I will be showing you where and how to print a business card later on in this channel, and my first reaction to them and what kind of trouble I was in when I got my first batch of the cards, because I had to get new ones from them. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoy. This is the end of the Insiders Pro guide. I hope you enjoy, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment, and I'll see you next time.